Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos. Want to spruce up your sofa without undergoing an expensive renovation or shaking up your current layout? A couple of throw pillows can instantly change your living room's atmosphere. Admittedly, there's no one way to decorate with throw pillows. Oftentimes, design enthusiasts fall into one of two schools of thought. Pile on the pillows or curated collection. Plus, some enjoy experimenting with textures, while others like to inject a pop of bold colors. There are many products available on Amazon to choose best indoor decorative pillows, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best indoor decorative pillows from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video and stay till the end of this video. Number 1. The Lyla Decorative Pillow. The Lyla Decorative Pillow boasts a stunning intertwined pattern that is repeated and embroidered on a 100% linen and neutral background. This throw pillow is visually mesmerizing and makes for an alluring accent to complement all aesthetics. It also features contrast zipping that matches the gorgeous embroidery perfectly. Evan Millard put it well. The Lyla Decorative Pillow cover perfectly transitions from spring to summer with ease. This throw pillow is perfect all year round, with embroidered leaves adding texture and visual interest. Product details. Material. The front is 100% linen, and the back and the piping are velvet size. 22x22 inches. Number 2. Cleo Stonewashed. The Cleo Stonewashed has subtle color variations and a much softer texture. We love it for many reasons, including the classic color combinations. Evan Millard praises the pillow for the traditional nature of its embroidery, and how that is complemented by its monochromatic palette. The combination of embroidery and fresh colors create a subtle warmth and touch of sophistication. Product details. Material. 100% polyester size. 20x20 22x13 inches. Number 3. Bouclé Ball Pillow. The Bouclé Ball Pillow is a playful and artful throw pillow that adds a touch of style to every setting. This textural throw pillow makes a statement and can look great with other decorative pillows. Karen Rohr describes it as spherical and stylish, and we are inclined to agree. This throw pillow is from an exclusive collaboration and features Sarah Sherman Samuel's characteristic warm style. It has a removable cover and includes a pillow insert. Product details. Material. Polyester Bouclé size. 12x12 inches. Number 4. Charlotte Velvet Pillow. The Charlotte Velvet Pillow adds some luxe texture to the room. As Karen Rohr says, you can never go wrong with a solid velvet throw pillow, especially when they come in a range of colors. This velvet throw pillow is available in various shades and has a feminine flair. It is perfect for contemporary spaces, with an elegant finish and simple shape with a subtle color pop. Product details. Material. 100% cotton velvet size. 20x20 inches. Number 5. Emma Pillow. The Emma Sand Pillow combines timeless and modern elements for a stylish finish. It is a Pepper Holmes best-selling botanical print, and the Emma Throw Pillow takes it to a new level in a fresh shade that reminds you of the beaches in the Mediterranean. It is the perfect addition to a beach retreat or an urban oasis, but would enhance almost any aesthetic. Product details. Material. 100% cotton size. Lumbar. 12x21 square. 18x18 20x 20 22 x 22 euro. 26x26 inches. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.